Now, this is how you can schedule send an email in your iCloud or the Apple Mail. Let's get started. So by default, we don't have any kind of option like this where you essentially cannot open up the message or somehow schedule it through here. But what you can do is to explore the Siri shortcuts. And as you know, the Shortcuts app comes from Apple. It is like officially made by them and free to download. So make sure you have this application, and through this, you can technically set it up. So ensure you are part of the Shortcuts like that. Click on a plus to create a brand new one. And you just want to type in the email, right? So just type that in. And one of the options that we want to find is the send email. Right, so you just choose to the message what it's going to be. So you're going to type in whatever in here. It's going to be the content of the message. The subject will be another thing, and of course the recipient has to be an actual email address where you do this. So I'm just gonna type in something like that, right? Hit it done, and essentially this is my Siri shortcuts. Whenever I press this email will be sent, the subject as well as the content to that email address. However, if I go to the automations at the bottom and set up a brand new one, I'm going to pick that, for example, when I get to like 11:49, right? What's going to happen is that my shortcut, this one right here, the sent email, will be triggered. So at 11:49, the email which I typed into my shortcuts, the one which I want to send and schedule, will be actually sent out, right? So at 11:49, the automation will run, which will trigger the shortcut, and the shortcut will send the email to my recipient. So it is a bit of a process, but that's kind of how it works using the built-in method. Obviously, some third-party mail clients might support it natively, but it is not the case for the Apple email. So thanks a lot for watching. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it. Thanks a lot again, and I'll catch you in the future uploads.